Did you know that clove and rosemary can help your thinning hair and grow back your hair? Welcome to my channel. Hair loss can be caused by twisting or pulling your hair. So some people repeatedly pull their hair out, resulting in hair loss. So people with hair pulling disorder may feel tense or anxious just before they pull their hair out. And they may not actually notice they are doing it, but yet it's actually damaging their hair. Most common hair loss is male pattern baldness, which starts at the forehead or top of the head and spread towards the back. While female pattern baldness also starts at the top of the head and hair just thins out rather than leaving a bald patch. Other causes of hair loss include alopecia areata, and an automatic disorder in which your body's immune defense attack your hair follicles by mistake. Certain medicines, especially chemotherapy, scalp ringworm, a fungal infection, certain body-wide disorders such as lupus, hormone imbalances such as women who have too many male hormones or take anabolic steroids for bodybuilding. So nutrition problems such as not getting enough iron or zinc, physical stress such as high fever, surgery, or a major illness, sudden weight loss, or pregnancy can also affect your hair. And mental stress causing you to pull out your hair. Injury to your hair follicles such as burns, radiation therapy, tight braids or rollers, chemical hair relaxers, or hot combs. All these can cause hair loss. And now let's explore how clove and rosemary can help prevent hair loss. But of course, you need to stop the things that are causing hair loss. So clove has benefits for hair and can be used in the form of clove oil or clove water. So a 2016 study reported that amalgamation of clove oil and emu oil promoted hair growth and showed anti-hair loss properties. So this study was designed to identify the best formulation of eugenol in emu self-emulsion for hair growth. So clove contains around 70% of eugenol, a substance that promotes hair growth by nourishing the hair roots. So this product makes hair smooth and easy to comb. It might take more time than minoxidil to work, but after a week it speeds up hair growth. It has benefits for the hair and can be used in the form of rosemary oil, rosemary water, and rosemary leaf extract. So a 2013 study examined the positive effects of rosemary leaf extract on the hair of mice with testosterone-induced hair loss. So additionally, a 2015 research compared the efficacy of rosemary oil and minoxidil 2% to treat androgenic alopecia. In 100 patients for 6 months, both treatments led to a significant increase in hair count. There was no notable difference between them, thus rosemary oil stimulates hair growth. How to make clove and rosemary. So all you have to do is put your clove in a pan and add some distilled water, or you can use tap water if you don't have some distilled water, and let it sit on the fire for 5 to 6 minutes. So it's already ready at this point. Of course, make sure that it's on low setting. So we are going to sieve. So I have been using rosemary and clove for some time. Like I would rinse it, I will use it as a rinse and my hair grew. So these herbs are so powerful. They can help you if you're struggling with thin hair, or if you want your hair to be revived, you can use these 2 powerful ingredients. So dear friends, if you are enjoying this video, give this video a like and comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you if you have ever used clove and rosemary for hair growth. So at this point, you can actually customize your clove and rosemary. You can add any fragrance, and you can add a preservative. But of course, if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge or refrigerator for 7 days and then you discard it. So how to use it? You can use it as a spray in your hair, or as a rinse out, or as a leave-in. And make sure that you are consistent in using it for you to see the results. Friends, if you have experimented with hair growth products and Probably you abuse these herbs, or maybe you abuse different herbs. I'd like you to comment in the section below and suggest other remedies you think I can use, or make a video in the future concerning the same. So at this point, we are ready to package our powerful rosemary and clove hairspray, and it smells very, very nice. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing, friends, and I appreciate you so much for your love and your support. Please comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. You know, I love interacting very much. Yes, so of course I use this spray very often, like spray it maybe twice in a week, or on wash day, whenever I feel that my hair is dry. So that is how it looks like, and this is a very potent hairspray that you can use to grow back your hair. So I really appreciate you so much, friends, for your support and your love, for your comments. And please share this video to friends and families whom you think they can benefit. The above videos for more.